What's up YouTube, it's JB coming back at you with another Mini Z video. So welcome to part 5 of our PN mod car build. So if you watch part 4, we've got the motor now installed, we've got the motor mount, we've got everything soldered up, the beast is alive. So we've got a few more things to finish up on the install, then we can get to some test runs, possibly get a new auto scale put on. So in part 5 we're going to install the disc dampener set, shock, and then we're going to also install the ceramic ball diff. So I'm ready to get this thing going. Let's get part 5 done so we can get to some testing. Here we go. Alright, just finished up the installation of the disc dampener. Everything's moving freely with that, so real happy with that install. Also got the differential installed. I got a pinion gear on there. I've got a little more work to do with the gear mesh on that, but overall I got one on there and just need to do some fine-tuning adjustments. Also put the body post up here, so that's ready for whatever body I decide I'm going to run, which that pretty much is a wrap on part 5. So stay tuned for part 6 of the build series, where we finish this thing up and potentially are opening a R8 auto scale. Anyway, until next time, see you YouTube. Thanks for watching.